Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with Net Framework installation error, code 0x800f0950. So if you're having this issue in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about hopefully resolving it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by hopefully one of the easier methods here would be to open up the start menu and just type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Net Framework 3.5 if the box is empty here, so go click inside of that and select OK, and then give it a moment here. And then you can select Load Windows Update, download the files for you. Okay, so once that's done, it should say Windows completed the requested changes. Go ahead and select Close. Would suggest restarting your computer at this point, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.